Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see open snaps again on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Snapchat app on your phone. So once we have opened our Snapchat, we're going to tap on this profile icon given on top left corner. Then we're going to tap on this option of settings on top right corner. From over here, we're simply gonna go ahead, scroll, and we make sure we're gonna go to this option of my data in the section of privacy controls. Tap on my data, and then we simply have to log into our Snapchat. Right, once you've added the email address and the username of ours, and we're gonna enter our password, we're gonna tap on next. We're gonna scroll all the way to the bottom till we find this option of data available for download. We're gonna again scroll to the bottom, and we will be able to add our email address and password for the security purpose. We're gonna turn on the memories as well, and we will be able to download our data. Once it's prepared and sent ready, you will receive the notification. Go ahead, tap on it, and all of your data will be there. You will be able to check out the particular messages and everything that you want to see, the opened ones as well. And that is basically how you will be able to do so. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.